Hi, my name's Ed Calverley from Q3 Media Training. Today I'm here to talk to you about IPMX, a new IP-based video transport protocol. Whether you've heard about IPMX or you think you know what it is, my goal is to clarify exactly what IPMX is, why it's significant, and how it fits into the broader landscape of video over IP. We'll start with some context. If you're familiar with SMPTE 2110, you'll know it's a suite of standards for transporting uncompressed video and audio over IP networks. Originally published in 2017, it's been a game changer for the broadcast industry. However, SMPTE 2110 is very much tailored for traditional television broadcast workflows, which rely on strict synchronization using gen locking and require specialized and expensive equipment like PTP Grandmasters. In contrast, IPMX was created to address broader use cases that go beyond traditional broadcasting, including corporate AV, such as presentations and digital signage, event production using portable systems, image magnification onto LED walls, or even just webcasts that require low latency, high quality video. So what is IPMX? Simply put, IPMX is SMPTE 2110 with added features and flexibility. It's not a separate protocol or a competitor to 2110, it's an evolution. Here's what makes IPMX unique. Firstly, support for non-synchronous video. Unlike 2110, IPMX allows devices to operate without strict synchronization, making it ideal for portable or budget-conscious setups where gen locking isn't needed or feasible. Second, enhanced control. IPMX includes mandatory use of the NMOS open specifications for device discovery and routing. This ensures interoperability and eliminates vendor lock-in. Importantly, it supports HDMI features. So IPMX adds native support for HDMI transport, including HDCP copy protection, which is critical for Pro AV use cases. And lastly, a technical point, it adds on RTP sender reports, which provide real-time updates on the media clock and format changes, which improves system responsiveness and avoids needs for manual intervention. Let's take a closer look at the evolution of IPMX. To help understand IPMX, it's useful to know its origins. SMPTE 2110 was based on work originally documented by the Video Services Forum, the VSF, in their technical recommendation TR03. IPMX continues this legacy with the VSF, publishing the new suite of TR10 documents which define IPMX. All these documents are freely available and specify how to implement IPMX, although they do assume familiarity with SMPTE 2110 standards, which sadly require payment to access. Let's look at the difference between IPMX and SMPTE 2110. While IPMX is fully backwardly compatible with SMPTE 2110, there are a few key differences. 2110 requires strict timing and synchronization, while IPMX supports asynchronous workflows. IPMX specifically mandates the use of NMOS for control, ensuring seamless integration across devices. IPMX includes the specific features for the Pro AV market, specifically RGB 444 support for computer displays and sender reports for dynamic updates of formats. These enhancements make IPMX more versatile and user-friendly, particularly in non-broadcast environments. So why does IPMX matter? The Pro AV market is vast and growing, with applications ranging from digital signage to event production. IPMX provides a standardized, royalty-free alternative to proprietary solutions, making high-quality, low-latency video more accessible. For manufacturers, IPMX offers a way to leverage existing SMPTE 2110 R&D while expanding into new markets. This helps drive down costs and increases competition, which ultimately benefits users. Let's take a look at the practical implementation. IPMX systems can operate in standalone configurations or within fully managed networks. The NMOS protocols, particularly ISO 4 and ISO 5, are central to its operation, providing robust discovery and routing capabilities. Unlike SMPTE 2110, which only encourages NMOS, IPMX devices actually require it, ensuring consistent functionality across a system. Free tools like Riedel's NMOS Explorer make it easy to experiment with IPMX today, with more options likely to emerge as adoption grows. So to wrap up, let's revisit the key takeaways. IPMX is not a new protocol, but an extension of SMPTE 2110, tailored for the Pro AV market and other non-broadcast use cases. It adds flexibility, enhanced control, and new features whilst maintaining backward compatibility with SMPTE 2110. By providing an open, royalty-free solution, IPMX bridges the gap between the broadcast and the Pro AV worlds, enabling a truly interoperable future. Thank you for watching. I hope this presentation has clarified what IPMX is and why it's a significant step forwards for video over IP. If you have any questions or want to explore IPMX further, feel free to reach out.